Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Brand 8 review. Alright guys, so this is the newest launch by Steve Mellor, one of my favorite vendors, I must say. The quality of his training courses is just superior. So always happy to bring his products to light and share them with you. Alright guys, I have just finished watching the whole training. Steve gave me the review access. I actually have access to all of the upsells as well. It's a pretty friendly funnel, very affordable, but it is all structured. The training has been done in a way that is not like super long, never-ending videos, just straight to the point, 5-10 minutes videos, a few videos, so not consuming too much of your time and energy, yet it teaches you something amazing and it, empowers you with a skill and knowledge on how to create AI-generated images in the most professional way you could possibly imagine, up to date, okay, for free. Well, using a platform that you normally pay for, and I will walk you through what platforms I am talking about, okay, in this review, so stay tuned for that, because the sales page doesn't really disclose that. I mean, of course, I cannot reveal everything, but, I'll give you a rough idea of what you can expect from this product. So yeah, check out that sales page below my review. I also prepared some bonuses for you. And by the way, this product went live today. And today is, what is the date today? Some people have no respect for time, sorry. I am being a bit of a mess. But today is the 6th of August. Alright guys, so let's dig in. Let me show you the members area. I'll show you the upsells you have, reveal the platforms Steve is talking about, but, in order to use these platforms, you want to be guided. I mean, I've never heard of these platforms before, so I have learned about them from this training course, okay? Alright, let's go. Here I am. This is the members area of Brand 8. And as I go, let me just go back and hold on. Yeah, so this is the whole funnel. There will be 5 upsells. Actually, if I go here, inside Warrior Plus, you will see the upsells. It's super affordable. All of the upsells, I mean, the front end is only $9, guys. There will be an inline offer, the so-called 7-day offer bootcamp for close to $20. And then each of the upsells is only $12. And they're amazing upsells, okay? So, and that's the sales page. I would strongly encourage you to watch this video from Steve Mellor, because he actually gives you the overview of the product. Yeah, it's very transparent. So this product will show you how to create super professional images. And as you know, most of the AI image generators, so AI image generating tools like Midjourney, Leonardo.ai, even if you have a paid version of ChatGPT, you can access daily, right? But they suck. They still do suck when it comes to hands creation, generation, or text, right? You ask for a text on top of the image or something like that, and it will screw up the spelling like big time. But not with the tools Steve is showing you in this training. Why? Because he is talking about a platform that is the most advanced. It's using the most advanced model out there when it comes to AI image generation. And yeah, it doesn't struggle with hands and it can do text. So you can, as he says here on the sales page, uncover the cutting-edge, game-changing AI tool that lets you create top-tier brands, logos, designs, and it's all for free. So also with my bonuses, which will complement this product nicely, I believe, I give you access to Etsy, because you can use, the skill you will learn from this training course to create amazing images for the logos, this and that, okay, like fancy looking images that you can put on a t-shirt or a mug or this or that, and then you can sell it on Etsy. Or you can set up your, your Fiverr profile as a freelancer, and with my bonuses you will learn how to do that, how to smash it on freelancing platforms. Okay, but going back to the product, check it out. You will learn how to create beautiful images like these ones. Okay, the very, very, very high quality, beautiful. All right, so the price is, the sales page, as I said, is straight to the point, short and sweet. So yeah, $9, and you'll get access to an amazing training course. So this is the front end. That's OTO number 1, I believe. OTO number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and there will be an inline offer on on the front end. Okay, so let me open up the front end and show you what you will find inside of it. So let me reveal the goodnews.com. Guys, have you heard of the platform called Flux? It's probably the most advanced AI image generator, and this is the platform I am talking about. Okay, Flux.1 AI image generator. Okay, and it is paid. Okay, you're not getting access to it for free. You're not even getting any credits like with Leonardo.ai. That I know, well, we pay for Midjourney, right? But compared to Flux, it doesn't come any close. Midjourney still creates images which look far from realistic, and it is quite obvious they have been created by AI, but not with Flux. But do you want to pay for it? It's $16 a month minimum. Now, Steve, in this ingenious training course with his ingenious brain, will give you, first of all, a prompt that you will use with ChatGPT. You will ask ChatGPT to ask as an AI assistant helping a user create either a logo, a t-shirt design, and blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to reveal the prompt. Obviously, you from here you can also download the prompt guide. Where was it? I had it here. Okay, so you have it in a PDF version, the prompt, what to ask ChatGPT of, and look at this one. This has been created by a free version of Flux. Stunning. Okay, so going back to what you're gonna get in this training course. Right, so with a free version of ChatGPT, you will create a prompt that you will then take from ChatGPT and paste it into this AI image generator, and let me show you how you would access the free version of Flux. So if I click through here, now Steve is talking in this 10 minutes video about this platform called PicLumen, something like that, okay? And this is the platform I sign up for it. So when you click through here, launch app, it's gonna take you it's free. You can create as many images as you want, okay? So these are the examples of images I created. Look at this. I think the prompt I gave it to create this beautiful image of a lady strolling through a forest, something like that, with wearing an elegant hat. And look how realistic it is. It does not compare to what Midjourney creates, for sure. And then I asked it to just create a logo for a massage agency. Pretty cool logo. Okay, so now the way you would go to where you see model, you would need to choose this Flux Schnell. Okay, and this is your free version of Flux. And then Steve shares with you some tips and tricks on how to make. Because it's free, it is accessible publicly, but there is a way around it that you will be able to keep the images for yourself and not reveal them to the rest of the world. Okay, there's a way around it, and Steve talks about it. Then the next platform Steve will show you that is his recommended version of free Flux is via this platform called C-Art. Okay, and let me quickly show you, because again, I'm not really allowed to reveal too much information. This is quite a beast. I mean, it looks like it. It looks a bit messy, chaotic. Where do I start? What do I do? But if you want to create images, you just go to work, click here and select workflow. And from then on, Steve will guide you on how to use the free version of Lux. And then you will have the prompt guide. So I have already sort of roughly discussed that. So this is the prompt you give to ChatGPT, or there is this free Flux prompt generator here that you can also use, okay? And Steve shows you how to create that. So if I click through here, this is, yeah, it will create what you want, okay? Give it like instructions on what you want created, what kind of image. And then just submit to generate prompt, and then the proper sounding prompt will be generated that you can use with these platforms, this one or the other one, okay? And yeah, that's that, guys. So you can use those images for freelancing platforms, for your, I mean, yeah, you can sell logos by all means as a freelancer for your own projects, for your clients' projects, because with these platforms you can use the images, okay, for commercial purposes. So no problem with that. Alright guys, so that's that. And as I said, there will be a few upsells. Go through the sales pages to the upsells. After you've picked up the front end for $9, okay, you also get some cool bonuses from me if you pick it up via the link below my review. And I'll finish at that because it's really it should be really sweet and to the point as the sales page is. Watch this video from Steve. And guys, I can reassure you, check this out. Okay.
In this section, I will introduce you to the Flux Prompt Generator.
You see, it's quality upon quality. I sit back and relax when going through Steve's training courses. It's a pleasure. I learn so much. And yeah, he's just such a good quality vendor. Very talented, like very artistic as well. I know he's a photographer. I chat with Steve every now and again. We are, connected on Facebook. So, cool, guys. Check it out. I think you're gonna love it, okay? For $9, you're gonna be guided through the use of these superior, #1, okay, the most advanced AI image generators. And trust me, Midjourney or Leonardo.ai or DALL-E do not compare. Do not compare when it comes to the quality of the images you will be able to generate. Alright, so again, check out that sales page and see you very soon. Bye bye.